Hello guys, so this is a beautiful resort Kasargali at Sakleshpur. You can reach this resort by public transport also. We are boarding a bus from Sakleshpur. Then generally there are buses from early morning like 7 to 9 they have the buses going towards Bangalore or other places, but it going via Kudraste. You can get down at Kudraste by that. From Kudraste it is like just a 15 minutes of journey. There are a lot of autos, you can get the autos also. But from Sakleshpur to Kudraste it will take an hour, and they are charging generally 60 rupees. The route is beautiful. uh, Really it's easy, where people are also helpful, so you can just reach by public transport. If you have vehicle then it's not an issue. So the way is really good. It's the start of the Western Ghat, so the whole landscape is like very beautiful, and you can see lot of farms, coffee farms everywhere, and areca nut, that's the supari farm also you'll see everywhere. It's a beautiful resort. uh, Here this is a bus stop, and yeah, we board the auto from here, and it's just so now you can enjoy the nearby location at Sakleshpur. Basically this resort, I'll be adding the drone shot. You can see the drone shot right now, just showing the whole landscape, the peaks nearby. uh, First day is somewhat clear, second day it's very cloudy, and it's raining. In monsoon it's heaven. So yeah, you can just enjoy the landscape here. So beautiful. So guys, you can enjoy the video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.